Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the simple and the most amazing platform you can create your Android application, and you can make up to $1,000 a day from Google AdSense and AdMob. You can as well use Propeller Ad as well. So now I'll be sharing with you real fast, and if you want to check the link of this software, you check my description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is the very first time of visiting my channel. Okay, so let's get started. I will paste the link here. I'll click on paste. That is the link address, appglizzard.com. So let's load it and see. This is one of the most amazing platforms. You can design your Android application without coding. You don't need Android Studio, you don't need to learn C++, no programming language is required. So let's get started. The network is a little bit busy, but it will get soon. Alright, so this is the platform. Now you can see at the top, you can see create app, login. That is if you want to create a profile with them. And let me run through some of the features. Create app and make up to $1,000 monthly massive income. So it is possible for you, depending on the numbers of apps you have. You can make more than one app, and it is free. It does not require any programming language. No coding is required. It's left for you now to have a subscription on your phone and to check in that link. Now, absolutely free forever. You don't need no monthly charges, nothing. And all you need to do to hang it on Play Store, I will share that with you at the end of this video too. Now they say no coding skill required. So, and they have over 30 plus app templates. There's nothing you can use this app to do. So let's go straight and let's create app. You see the features of apps that are available for us to create. My network, let's give it a time. Alright, okay, create app. Now create app to earn, create app to grow. We're going to hit on this create app to earn. So let's get started, because we want to earn from our app. What's happening? Okay, now if you want to create apps, okay, we have for business and we have for individual. It depends on what you want. Now if you want to create a website, for example, you have a blog and you want to have an app, you can equally place the app on Google Play Store after paying a license fee of $25 a lifetime, and you can hang it there. If you want to create a browser, for example, you want to create a browser for yourself, you want to create a photo editor, you want to create any kind of, we have TikTok and lots of them. This all the book reader, we have case simulator, everything you need to think of. These are the available apps. So let's look for something really quick. Let's create a browser. You hit on browser, give it the time to load. Network. Create app to monetize and generate app revenue using AdMob. I don't know what's happening. Let's give the time. I guess it's network. Okay. Alright. Now this is a feature of the browser you want to create. Now, as you can see, this is the format of the phone. Let's zoom out. Now, this is your phone. Once you click, you see the preview. This is the format of your app. Now let's go through some of the They say warning, due to the Google Play Store policy, some of okay, let's rush down. Let's proceed because of time. We don't have time. I'm really having network issue right now. Fine. Okay, now the title of this app, let's say why. If you have a link, if you have any image, if you want to add image to it, that is it. You click on next too. Now you give it time to load. Okay, so this is, you ought to fill everything. For example, if you want to add a newspaper site to pop up to show news on your browser and all of that. So this is one of the amazing way to create application yourself. So remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification.